Hello everyone, I am Saurav and now I am discussing about the Montreal Protocol. The Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production and consumption of a number of substances that are believed to be responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. The treaty was opened for signature in September 1987 and entered into force on force on January 1989, and it is held on Montreal at Canada. Initially, the protocol was signed by 27 countries when it opened in September 1987 and subsequently ratified by 100 countries. India ratified the treaty treaty at 1992, and also as the September 16, 2009, all the countries in the United Nations have ratified the original Montreal Protocol. Since the, inception meeting and signatories to the protocol have met on several occasions to discuss the progresses of the treaty. Armed with further scientific evidence, they have agreed to move stringent control. It is believed that if agreement is adhered to in its strictest sense of the ozone layer is expected to heal itself by 2050. The treaty is structured around several groups of halogenated hydrocarbons that have been shown to play a significant role in ozone depletion. That is that is chlorofluorocarbon, halogens, methyl bromide, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroform, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons. The treaty also protects global climate since these ozone depleting substances are also potential greenhouse gases. A greenhouse gas is a gas in A greenhouse gas is a gas in an atmosphere that absorbs and emits radiation within a thermal infrared range. That is water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. The ozone layer acts as a filter to harmful UV radiation. This ozone is a form of oxygen. There is a three oxygen and it is very unstable one. The ozone layer is a Fresnel layer 6 to 30 miles above the surface on the earth. How the chlorofluorocarbon reacts with the ozone, let's see. In the presence of the chlorofluorocarbon, in the presence of UV light, it breaks into two radicals, one of them carbon radicals and the chlorine radicals. These chlorine radicals reacts with the ozone and forms the oxygen and chlorine monoxide. This chlorine monoxide further reacts with the further reacts with the free oxygen atom and forms the oxygen and chlorine radical. This chlorine radical further reacts with the ozone and destroys the more ozone and forms the ozone hole, ozone hole. So of the chlorine, one chlorine radical can destroy 1 lakh ozone molecules before it removes from the stratosphere. So, due to the form of the ozone hole, the UV light are direct contact with us and forms, and this UV light causes the eye. This UV light causes the eye cataracts, causes skin cancer, reduce crop yields, and kills basic life forms. In USA, there is a 3% reduction of the ozone. There is greater than 6% increase in UV light, and thus 12 million cancer cases over next 50 years. Australia has already recorded a 3x increase in non-melanoma skin cancers, and these due to the forms of the ozone hole, there is a change of the there is a climate change, and it forms the global warming. It forms the increase the temperature of the atmosphere, and due to the change of this temperature, there is uh, these impacts on health, agriculture, forest, water resource, coastal areas, and species and natural areas. Without the Montreal Protocol, Without the Montreal Protocol, ozone depletion would have been about 10 times worse by 2015. There will 20, 19 million more cases of non-melanoma cancer, 15 million more cases of melanoma cancer, and 13 million more cases the eye cataracts. That's it. Thank you so much.